Hi, I'm Natalie at SecretSauce, and I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest sticky wings with our sweet and sour soy sauce, stir fry and marinade cooking sauce. Not only is this very tasty, it is also extremely quick and easy to whip up. A little tidbit about SecretSauce: all our sauces are made with natural ingredients, so let us be your sous chef and help you cook your meals from scratch. Let's get cooking. You'll need SecretSauce ready-made sweet and sour soy sauce cooking sauce, 1 kilogram chicken wings, cut into winglets and drumlets. You can choose to keep the wing tips, or you can also make this recipe with whole wings. Heat the pan to high heat, saute chicken wings in oil. You will need to pay attention to the wings as this cooking method uses high heat all the way through. Whoops, no worries, it will turn out well in the end. When wings are slightly browned, it's time to add your secret sauce. Use 1 tablespoon per 100 grams of ingredients. So it's 10 tablespoons here. Keep stirring the wings on high heat every couple of minutes. Best is to enjoy a glass of wine whilst cooking these wings. Another cooking option is to cover the wings for about 10 minutes at medium heat and have them simmering in the sauce. Then remove the cover and heat the wings on high to dry up the sauce so that it will stick to the wings. As you can see, the sauce is thickening and sticking to the wings gradually. This should take about 10 minutes from the point when you add the sauce to the wings. At this point, reduce the heat to medium so that the sauce can continue to thicken at a slower pace and not burn the wings. Look at them getting stickier. I can really eat all of these by myself. This is so yummy. To be honest, this is my kids' favorite. Sticky wings or ribs on rice. Or maybe just all sticky ribs and wings. Our sweet and sour soy sauce stir fry and marinade is truly a versatile sauce. Add sesame oil to it and turn it into a vinaigrette. Love it with cucumbers. Here, stir fry green beans with pork. This is our sticky ribs. Or you can roast potatoes in it. And stir fry asparagus with beef. And now, finally, our whole glazed sticky wings. And many more. Thank you for watching. Please like our video, then subscribe to our channel and be notified on our new videos. See you soon!